Welcome inside our juice factory. Today you'll see how fresh pomegranates are transformed into premium bottled juice.
The pomegranates enter the hydrocooling and sanitizing pool, where millions of air bubbles provide a gentle yet thorough cleaning.
The pomegranates enter the UV sterilization tunnel, where intense blue-violet light eliminates
Using advanced AI camera modules, these are scanned by precise red and blue lasers.
As defective pomegranates are detected, rapid pneumatic air bursts fire, sharply ejecting the selected fruits with surgical precision. This high-speed robotic system precisely halves each pomegranate, ensuring maximum yield and efficiency in a sterile environment.
Through the use of controlled air gusts, the system achieves precision separation. The heavier air
As the ruby red urls flow through the micro-sorting corridor, rapid pneumatic bursts precisely eject imperfections. Here in the stabilization tunnel, the ruby red juice is rapidly cooled by these chilled coils, locking in the freshness.
The holding tanks are steadily filled with the clarified juice, showcasing the precision and scale of the operation. From the transfer corridor, the vibrant juice begins its journey toward the pasteurization hall, ensuring peak freshness.
This state-of-the-art system ensures every drop of juice receives precise microins of essential vitamins and minerals.
Low-speed homogenization ensures the fine pulp is evenly distributed, creating that velvety, smooth texture and consistent quality. To protect the deep ruby pomegranate juice from oxidation, a blanket of soft nitrogen vapor is released, preserving peak freshness. The PET preforms, still in their test tube shape, are rapidly funneled toward the heating tunnels, where they will be prepared for blowing.
The sophisticated blow molding process uses precise air blasts to transform the small preforms into perfectly contoured premium juice bottles.
The UV levels are holding steady at 250 nanometers. Throughput is optimal.
Here in the inspection corridor, the luminous green scan lines guarantee the tamper seal is flawless, reinforcing consumer safety.
The high-capacity system handles thousands of labels per minute, showcasing peak efficiency. high bay warehouse represents the pinnacle of modern logistics, ensuring seamless distribution.
Once stretch-wrapped, the pallets are swiftly transported by our heavy-duty forklifts, ready for distribution.
Harnessing advanced logistics, the smart fleet departs in perfect synchronization, ensuring our premium pomegranate.
We've got the first pallet secured in the roller system now.
Excellent. Maintain the pace and watch the clearance.
And that's how fresh pomegranates become premium bottled juice.